first time that I met you, can't keep my heart in pulse for you. But I can't say it 'cause you might not feel the same way too. Then there's the two of us. I love you for you can't get enough. But in this life, changes comes like you and your senseless goodbyes. I thought you were the one to enjoy now, till I died to keep you by my side. But dreams and love sometimes can't get alike. Change of heart and leave me behind. The promise that we made through is in vain. The family we thought for us to care. Remember all these things 'cause it's so damn real. The pain. I thought you were the one. I thought you were the one. Can't believe it's easy to break promises that I thought was real. But missing you at days and night makes me feel fully awake. Guess what? I feel regret the moment when my heart skipped a beat, because I thought you can be true to your words. Love will never fail. I thought you were the one to enjoy now, till I died to keep you by my side. But dreams and loves just can't get alike. Change of heart and leave me behind. The promise that